This is the most effective way to clean your mattress from unpleasant stains and odors. Do you want to buy a new mattress because the one you have at the moment has mites, dust and suffers from bad odors difficult to eliminate? You can save money and time using this methodology to disinfect mattresses that very few people know. It is very simple and super economic. You just need these ingredients that you can have very accessible in your home. Ingredients: 1. 4 spoonfuls of baking soda. 2. 3 drops of liquid soap. 3. A 3% hydrogen peroxide cup. 4. A bottle with atomizer. 5. A clean cloth. Preparation: 1. In a bowl, place the hydrogen peroxide and baking soda, and mix until the sodium bicarbonate dissolves. 2. Then add the liquid soap and mix again. 3. Pour the liquid into the spray bottle. 4. Shake the bottle before use and spray the dirty areas of the mattress. 5. Let it act until it dries. 6. Next, rub with a dry cloth and use the vacuum cleaner to remove any remnants of the mixture. 7. You should use the mixture immediately after making it to make the results better. This homemade trick will help you clean the stains and unpleasant smell of the mattress effectively and easily. If you like to have more smell, you can add any of these variants. 1. Half a glass of orange juice. 2. Half a glass of lemon juice. 3. Half a glass of water with oil of essences. The one that you like more. It is important that you know the medical consequences that can cause you to have the mattress dirty. 1. You may get sinusitis or aggravate the problem. 2. You can produce allergies of all kinds, since mites are very harmful to health. 3. You can have serious skin problems. 4. It can cause respiratory problems, etc.